Okay, y'all, you fold it in half, put your bead of glue right down through the seam, and then you pinch it together. Make sure when you're doing this that you're using your finger protectors, because this glue will get you. I use Gorilla Glue. Now I'm going to put me a bead of glue here at the end, and you start folding this over and rolling it. Start rolling. Here it goes. It's starting to look like a flower. See the bottom part? You just tap it against the table and it'll start falling. You kind of find the center and get it right on down. Here it is, y'all. A burlap flower. You can put anything you want in the center. But look how big that is. It is so pretty. You cut your burlap into 24 inches. Thanks for joining us. Bye-bye.